In this video, I'll show you how to connect Shopify to Printful for print on demand. Start by signing in to your Printful account. From the dashboard, click Stores in the left menu, then click Choose Platform or Add Store. Next, select Shopify from the list of available platforms and click Connect. After that, enter your Shopify store address. For example, type learnmodelab.myshopify.com, then click Connect. Now you'll be redirected to Shopify. Sign into your Shopify admin if prompted, review the permissions requested by Printful, and click Install App. Next, return to Printful and confirm that your Shopify store is connected. Click Add Product, choose an item such as a unisex t-shirt, upload a sample design like Learn Mode Lab logo, select the available sizes and colors, and click Proceed to Mockups. After that, review the product details, set your retail price, and click Submit to Store to publish the product to Shopify. Finally, open your Shopify admin, go to Products, and confirm that the new Printful product has been added successfully. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Shopify to Printful for print on demand. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.